Hello beautiful lovers, welcome back to our YouTube channel Trendy. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our fabulous fashion tips and jewelry reviews. Today we have something special for you. A deep dive in the world of 2 kg and 3 kg gold necklace for women. Let's get started. So what actually are 2 kg and 3 kg gold necklace? Let's break it down. The K in 2 kg and 3 kg stands for carat, which measures the purity of gold necklace. 2 kg gold's content about 18.30% golds, while 3 kg gold has around 12.5% golds. The rest is made for other materials, making this necklace more durable and affordable compared to high carat gold jewelries. One of the main advantages of 2 kg and 3 kg gold necklace is their durability because they are mixed with other metals. They are less likely to stretch or bend, making them perfect for everyday wear. Plus, they are budget friendly. You can enjoy the luxury look of good without breaking the bank. Another benefits is the variety of designs available, from classic to contemporary styles. There are something for everyone, whether you are looking for a statement pieces or something more stable. You can find a 2 kg or 3 kg gold necklace that fits your style practical. Now let's talk about how to style these beautiful pieces. For a casual day out, you can pair a simple 2 kg gold necklace with the white tee and jeans, and add just the right amount of elegance without being too flashy. Heading a special events, a 3 kg gold necklace with a little more details can elevate your outfit. Pair it with a silk dresses or a stylish blouse for a chic and polish look. The keep your 2 kg and 3 kg gold necklace looking their best regular maintenance is key. Gently clean them with a soft cloth to remove any dirty your oils. Avoid using harsh chemicals and store them in a dry place to prevent drenching. Wondering where to find this stunning necklace? You can check out reputable jewelry stores or browser online for a wider selection. Make sure to review and verify the authenticity of the seller before making a purchase. That's all for today video on 2 kg and 3 kg gold necklace. Thanks for watching.